So, is it my voice is clear to you? I will start the class. And good morning, everybody. And we will start the workbook of the chapter which we have completed. And whatever the remaining question, actually uh, they all are on your own experiences. So, I have given those as a homework. Okay. So, the questions are in page number, see in the page number, in the textbook page number 73, 74 and 75. All are your homework because these all are up to which class you want to study, up to which class you have your parents studied, till which class did your grandmother get married, get a chance to study, at what age did your grandparents get married. So these all answers I cannot write, so you have to write your own answers because this is all depend on your experiences, whatever whatever age and whatever your grandparents has done this. Okay, so now we will start the question answers of the workbook. So take out your workbook so that we can start the question answers. And one thing I would like to request you, first of all, you mute your speaker, because if lots of voices come to my ear, it will difficult for me to continue the class. And secondly, don't do any kind of personal chat in the class. You just concentrate in your studies, because lots of persons I have seen, they are doing the personal chats. Don't do it. Concentrate the class, because maybe today is your last class, then you will have your vacations. Okay, so we will start it, and then we will do the we will start the question answers. Okay, so looking around, we will do changing families. First one is fill in the blanks, whatever the fill in the blanks with the correct word. So the first one is a baby girl is born in dash family. You know, this is Nimi's family. So at first write fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Number one is Nimmi. Fill in the blank. Number one is Nimmi. Second, now there are dash members in Nimmi's family. So how many members are in Nimmi's family? Now there are 6 members in Nimmi's family. Write down 6. Third, or the C is Sering's family will have to leave dash for the new city. So write down Pathankot. C is Pathankot. D is there. Nazli's elder cousin brother is getting, that is married. Okay, write down married. And E is there. Nazli is happy to see her new. To whom he has seen? She has seen her bhabhi. Write down bhabhi. Okay, now question 2, answer A. So write down, turn over the page, page 38. This is page 38. Okay, so the question number 1, what caused the excitement in Nimi's family? So at first we will write the answer. There was a great excitement excitement in Nimmy's family in Nimmy's family as a new baby girl was born, in the family. Write down, there was a great excitement okay, write down, there was a great excitement in Nimmy's family as a new baby girl was born in the family. Okay, now in the family. Now next one is B question. What news did Sering father receive from his office? Write down this one. B is, okay, we will write in the first part. Answer B. Write down the B part. What news did Sering's father receive from his office? Sering's father received Sering's father received the news from Sering's father received the news from his office. From his office that he had been promoted and would have to move to another city. Okay, would have to move in another city. Now the C answer. Answer C. What is the question? B was there. I am again repeating the answer so that you can write. B is Sering's father received the news from his office that he had been promoted and would have to move to another city. Okay, and the C question is there. Why all were happy and excited with joy in Nazli's home? Why they all were happy and excited in Nazli's home? So the answer is, in Nazli's home, everybody was very happy and excited with joy because her elder cousin brother was getting married. So write down this in the C. In Nazli's home, in Nazli's home, everybody was happy. In Nazli's home, everybody was happy and excited with joy with joy in Nazli's home, everybody was happy and excited with joy because her elder cousin because her elder cousin brother was getting married. Because her elder cousin brother was getting married. So answer again, I am repeating. In Nazli's home, everybody was happy and excited with joy because her elder cousin brother was getting married. Okay. Now question 3. Write a brief note on a festival or of an occasion. So the brief note, whatever is festival or an occasion, it is your own answer. So you write your own. Okay, because this is the answer. You will write of your own experience, how much you have enjoyed in your you have enjoyed in your festival, or suppose in puja festival, how you have what is the motto of the festival, how you have celebrated, you will write your own. Okay, next we will write the answer 3. Actually question 3, it is on your own experience, so I have written it as a homework. You will write your own answer. So how you have celebrated in the festival or in your occasion. Now the answer 4, we will write answer 4. Give two circumstances where there is a change in the family. We know there are so many reasons for which we can see the change in the family. So in this answer we will write only 2 circumstances or the 2 reasons, and you can change and you can write your own also. Okay, so I'm writing here answer 4. Answer 4 is there is a change in any family there is a change in family there is a change in family when there is a change in family when we will write in the upward. There is a change in a family when circumstantially circums C-I-R-C-U-M-S-T-A-N-T-I-A-L when circumstantially one member of the family circumstantially one member of the family leaves family for job or higher education. Circumstances. First one we have written when circumstantially one member of the family leaves family for job or higher education. And the second circumstances, we will write the second one or the number 2. This is the first one. And number 2 circumstances, birth of a baby due to birth of a baby or marriage occurs. Or marriages occur. So there are two kind of circumstances. There is a change in family when circumstantially one member of the family leaves family for job or higher education. Second one is due to birth of a baby or marriages occur. So these all are the reasons when any kind of change you can see in the family. So you write all these, and now see there is a fun making part here in our last class, or you can say in our last class, that is in class 3. We have just given some of the photo, we have posted some of the photo in our family tree, and right now you have to write the names of the family member, that is your grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, and your aunt, then yourself, your cousin, and you have to write the name of all family members. And that's all for the day, and you have completed this chapter. Next day we will start our chapter 10. If any problem, you just write down in the message. I cannot give you the answer like this, okay? If you want to ask me something, you just write in your message so that I can give you the answer. Okay, everybody, I think complete. And your class, I would like to wish you for your upcoming puja. Enjoy yourself, have lots of fun. Yes, thank you. And you just enjoy yourself, have lots of fun. But whenever you are going outside, don't forget to wear the mask, okay? Because nowadays it is very essential. So wear the mask along with your new dresses. Enjoy a lot. And when you are going outside, meeting with your friends, meeting with your neighbors, that time you have to maintain the distance. After touching anything, you have to sanitize your hand. When you will keep these 3 things in your mind, you will be safe from any kind of diseases. Healthy life, okay? So that's all for the day. Kindly give your presents and have a nice day. That's all for the day. Thank you.